Need to reset your iPhone? There are 4 levels, from a quick restart to a full erase. Level 1, a forced restart. Keeps all your data, fixes most glitches in under a minute. Level 2, reset settings. Defaults return in minutes. Photos, apps, and messages stay safe. Level 3, erase all content and settings. Backup first. This cannot be undone. Level 4, wipe from Finder or iTunes on a computer. Same, full erase. Forgot your passcode? You can still erase it through recovery mode. After the reset, restore your backup over Wi-Fi. Full guide on fone.tips. A factory reset erases everything and returns the iPhone to out-of-box condition. Use it when you're selling, trading in, or facing severe software issues that the lighter resets could not fix. Before you erase, back up your data, because a factory reset cannot be undone. Go to Settings, your name, then iCloud, then iCloud Backup, and tap Backup Now to save everything first. To wipe from the phone, open Settings, General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. Enter your passcode and Apple ID password, which turns off Find My, then tap Erase. You can also reset from a computer. On a Mac, open Finder and click Restore iPhone. On Windows, open iTunes, go to Summary, and click Restore. Both install fresh iOS and remove the passcode. If your iPhone is frozen and won't show up, put it in recovery mode first. Use the same sequence as a forced restart, but hold the side button until the recovery screen appears, then connect. Locked out without a passcode? Recovery mode plus Finder is the most reliable path. If Find My was already enabled, sign in at iCloud.com/find and tap Erase to wipe it remotely. After the reset, the setup screen offers Restore from iCloud Backup, or you can restore faster over a USB cable. Keep the device on power and Wi-Fi throughout, since that is critical for success. So, force restart for minor issues. Reset all settings next, and save the full factory wipe for last. Get the complete step-by-step guide for every iPhone model on fone.tips.